to go outside with my Anjane. Go in, Annie. This is Shailene Story Streams reporting live from my porch. It's still coming down. And my Anjane wants to play in the snow. How y'all like my scarf? Got it from Victoria's Secret. Keep my neck all warm for the snow. Yeah. Oh, a plow's going by. Snow plow's going by. Annie, that's how you're gonna get the snow. You gotta go play in it. All right, guys. I forgot my ruler. I wanted to measure the snow, and maybe I'll give you guys an hourly update of how the snow is acting. Oh, it's in my face. Let me take it. Oh, I cannot take it. Annie, go make a snow angel. Annie is playing in the snow. Annie, you made too many snow angel. I can't even make one out. Are you ready to come inside? Guys, I don't think Annie's trying to come inside right now.
Mommy,
Yes, baby?
like a snowman.
You got to put your arms out and your leg out and put them in, out, in, out. Lay down.
Lay down.
Yeah. Lay down quick. Okay, move your arms in, out, in, out. All right, get up. Let me see it. Get up. You all covered in snow. Okay, that's a better one, Annie. All right, come on in. Get up.
Swimming.
No, Annie, you can't swim in the snow. Get up. Swimming girl. You ice swimming? Hold on to the rail. Don't fall down. All right, guys, I'll be back. As you can see, the snow covered Anjane up to her waist. So, I don't know. I'm going to get a ruler. So next time when we come out, I could show you like how high the snow is. And as you can see, it is still snowing. So therefore, I'll give you an hourly update on the snow in New Jersey. Over and